I got jackpot already.
Oh.
They got something.
Flower. Watering can.
Okay, I see some Daborong. Got some feminine wash. Remove this one right quick.
You want the watering can?
Oh, sure. Labas muna natin. Oh, I see some teddy bear too. I'm go inside. I'm so excited.
Yay! You start the video?
Yes. They're leaking something there. Just dump the box. I don't know what's this. Okay. Okay, got ponytail. Oh wow. We found this one 4th of July. Oh, got Clorox. Put this one to the truck. We got Clorox. Paint spray. We got cups.
Tissue paper for a gift.
Okay. Let's see the bottom.
Another cup.
Uy, look, the tide. Uy, oh, nothing. It's already waste.
Broken.
Now smell good. Okay, bonnet. One more, okay. Yeah.
Container?
Yeah, need that one. Put that to the truck. Cups. Oh, got feminine wash. You can put that to the truck. Got plates. Got some more boxes. Cups. That like for
decoration.
Okay, you can put that to my truck.
Okay. Right there.
Oh, okay. Candle.
That's candle.
Yeah, you can put that one there. So it's not be heavy. Phone.
Lele was right.
Yep. Oh, this one.
What's this one, my baby?
Hold on. This one. I don't know.
Like canister.
Okay. Trash bag, okay.
Okay.
We need a trash bag. What's this? Uy, body wash. Yeah, put to the truck. Another candle. Candle. Okay, put. Oh, it's heavy. Gloves. Candle. Oh wow.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Let's move this. Let's move. Hold on.
Right
Where? Oh, yeah. Okay.
That one has a lid right here, my baby.
Okay. Thank you, cause you know I'm too much
Right.
look.
You see so much stuff.
Right. Not really pay attention. Let's see what this one. No, just box. Here you go, more bowl.
Yeah.
You think that's not heavy too much?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I got a cup up here.
Okay.
Go look, comb by your feet.
Comb.
Yep, and 2 cups right beside each other.
Comb. Cup.
You see the black comb?
Comb.
There
Okay.
you go.
Oh, we need this one.
Oh, Mr. Magic Eraser
Right.
for your kitchen.
Okay. Remove this right now. The chicken side.
No charcoal.
Oh, wow! Okay, you got it.
Press it.
Okay, thank you. Big charcoal. So lucky. Let's see what this. Oh, Lele said she need water, right? Water.
She said you need some water. She got some water. Last time I said,
This is. Oh, I see some flip flop.
Okay, flip flop.
I don't know. Let's see if we got another one. Oh yeah, we got more.
There go another flip flop.
Yeah. I don't know if it's the same size.
Yep.
Long. More. Oh. And one more.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this.
Oh, well. You want me to knock the stuff off?
Yeah, it's okay. Just
Okay.
the powder soap. Broke. Ooh, it's too hot.
Too hot.
Yeah,
Oh, look, it's lamp in there.
I see.
Bedroom lamp.
Yeah, but it's broke.
It's broken?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's broke. The glass broke.
Oh, man.
Oh, look.
Full gallon, half gallon of milk.
Ah, sure.
That's why some of this stuff wet.
More cup. More cup.
Look up.
Yeah. You get more body wash. Oh, body wash. Here go MJ Peps. Look, MJ. Hot. Too hot. This is
Aloe vera.
okay. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's it. My GoPro is falling down. Is it right?
It looks like it.
Yeah. What is this? Oh, nothing.
Napkin.
Okay.
More aloe vera.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Alright. Let's go. So nice. Oh, I need this one. Oh, MJ.
Find something?
Yeah. For more some bowl. Oh, sorry.
That was a good idea, huh?
Right. Let's go. Dab soap.
Oh.
Huga. What's this one? Markers. Oh,
We got tampons.
where?
Right under this paper right here.
Okay. Oh, empty. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Baby bottle. You see baby bottle?
Baby
Down
bottle.
here.
Oh, okay. All right. Brand new. What is this? Like bed sheet?
And it look like pillowcase.
Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. I'm finished. I'm finished. Whew. MJ, let's go.
You ready?
Yeah, you don't want to get this?
Oh, grab.
Whew. Sus. MJ, you got it.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Hello! Kamusta sa? Hali tayo ay mag-showerarat? Yes, short shout out lang dahil mahaba na yung ating kalkalan to the max. Hello to Miss Chris Montero, Nanay Mirna Gabayno, Aisa Mariano, Haller, May Colina, Boyda, Sherlyn Mongcal, Melissa Balais, Juana Fernandez, hello Miss Gina Vego de la Torre, Ate Sheila Balute, Nanay Jane Tabisola, Alona Tolete, Delia Pacoldo, Ina Yanig, Nanay Bebe Francisco, hello, Mary Jane Sabala, Daisy Manzano, Maris Vivar, Danilo Jumalon, Miss Jocelyn Castro, Miss Nora Agpawa. Yes, dumating na yung ating baby box. Thank you, Miss Nora. Miss Vivian Cortez, Aisa Apolonio, Rosemary Ayora, Miss Nene, Edeline Ramos, Daisy Cavan, Miss Jessica Magbanwa, Maria Clara, hello, Marvin Mangalos, Rolly Balais, Eleanor Fulminar, Nanay Susan Goro, Nanay Susan Garata, lahat ng mga Susan Anion, hello. Hello to Miss Florenda Sayangco, Cristina Infante, Lilibet Gaton, Pelalyn Bahasan, Arceli Quilleton, Marisa Triviana, Miss Josephen Mendez, Jikay, hello, Marie Crisentero Barongo, Miss Adelaida Gaton, hello po, Rihani Di Salungan, Shawararat, Salva Langkuyan. So dyan lang po muna kayo, enjoy your watching, shout out everyone. Hello mga ka-subscribers, wow, may isang lamesa tayong jackpot ngayon. Na-miss ko to. Na-miss nyo rin ba? So, umpisahan po natin dito. So, meron tayong cups. Ayan. Peps. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Dalawang purple at dalawang pink. Meron po tayong ilang pirasong mga baso, katulad niyan. Ito pa. Ito din. Lalagyan ng sabon, sabonera, ganun. At ito, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, pillowcase bedsheet. 1 set siya. Meron naman tayong mga baunan. Cup ulit. Tapos ito, parang ito po ay mixer. I-mix dito yung alcohol. Ganon. Yeah, oo. I-mix mo dito. Mixer yan. Tapos ito, hindi ko alam kung anong purpose nito. Wala siyang takip, ganito lang. Can holder. Mapasok ba dito ang beer? Hindi ko alam, tatlo siya, oh. Candle. Tapos meron tayong cellophane wrap, garbage bag. At meron tayong ganito. Ilan to? O, tatlo. Ayan po, oh. Cups again dyan. Oh, may feeding bottle tayo. Magic eraser. Bowl. Ayan po. Bonnet. Gloves. Oh, mayroon pa tayong pantali sa buhok. Meron tayong Dove lotion. Dove soap pala. Marker. And chinelas. Tingnan nyo to. Feminine wash again. Aba. Body wash. Body wash. Tapos ito. Natutuwa ako dito. Kasi ito ay umiikot. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Kapag nilapag nyo yan, umiikot siya, ganyan. So, anong purpose nito? Turntable ang nakalagay. So, ilagay mo dyan yung chocolate, ganon, or candy. Wala lang siguro, lalagyan lang. Lalagyan ng itlog. Lalagyan ng itlog. And, ito pa. Ito naman ay organizer. Lagyan mga anik-anik. And this one, ito, plato. At meron po tayong diapers. Oh, meron pang ganito. Tamang-tama to sa garden ko. Garden ng kaibigan ko. Clorox. And ito, panglagay sa ulo. Bandana. Panlagay sa ulo, bandana. Tama ba? Aba, meron pa pala tayong blush on. Sira man pala yung iba. Hindi man siya blush on. Panlagay ba sa, sa mata mo. Sa mata mo. Strainer. So, yan yung ating mga nakuha. At ito, uling. Ito pa. Tapos yung pang wall decor. Galing-galing naman talaga. Ano? Saan? So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Yes, pang parcel ito lahat. Panglagay sa ating BB box. So don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabets Let's Vlog. Bye! Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat!